Hey guys, today we are making these gorgeous peach cookies. They start off with a sugar cookie base, and then we make our own homemade peach preserves, which we combine into the dough, into the icing, and then are drizzled on top. They're so sweet, so delicious, the perfect summer cookie. You can of course use fresh peaches, frozen peaches, or even store-bought preserves to save time if you wish. Our cookies are gluten-free, nut-free, eggless, and can easily be made vegan with a few tweaks. So come on, let's make them. We're going to take our sliced peaches, granulated sugar, and a pinch of kosher salt, set it over medium heat in a pan and bring it to a boil. Once boiling, we're going to simmer for about 5 minutes, and then we're going to blend it with an immersion blender or a regular blender, pour it through a sieve, and let it set aside to cool. Then we are going to take butter and we're going to melt it about halfway, whisk so that it melts it fully. And then we're going to take gluten-free flour, baking powder, kosher salt, and whisk it together until it is fully combined. Next, we're going to mix water and cornstarch till it is smooth and watery. It'll be thick and tacky at first. Then into that cool butter, we're going to add granulated sugar, a quarter cup of our strained peaches, and pure vanilla extract. And don't forget our cornstarch water. We're going to mix that together until it is fully combined. Then we're going to add in half of our gluten-free flour, then a quarter cup of milk, whisk it together until combined, and then we're going to add the remaining flour. You can use clean hands to mix it together. Sometimes it's easier than a spatula. And then we're going to chill it for about 30 minutes in the freezer. After 30 minutes, scoop it into 12 balls, dip the tops, only the tops, in granulated sugar, and then we're going to bake for about 16 minutes. Now we're gonna make our glaze. We're gonna take confectioner's sugar, 2 tablespoons of our peaches, and a little bit of water, and we're going to whisk until smooth. Drizzle it on cool cookies. They must be cool, otherwise the glaze will melt. And then we are going to drizzle a little bit of the strained peaches, and that is it. They are so simple to make. They're so delicious. The perfect cookie for summer. I hope you guys love them as much as we do. Enjoy. Thanks so much for watching. You can find the complete recipe with step-by-step photos on the blog Lean and Gray Fare, which I have linked below. And for more decadent gluten-free, nut-free, and egg-free recipes, make sure to like and subscribe. And if you want to see more recipe videos just like this one, make sure to ring the notification bell so you never miss a single recipe. Thanks so much.